Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word brainstorm. Let's practice together. Brainstorm. Let's brainstorm. We brainstorm ideas. Can we brainstorm now? Let's brainstorm together. We need to brainstorm solutions. I will brainstorm with you. They brainstorm every Monday. Brainstorming helps us improve. Let's brainstorm for the project. We brainstorm before meetings. Can you brainstorm with me? Brainstorm ideas quickly. We brainstorm to find answers. Let's brainstorm new strategies. Brainstorming improves teamwork. We brainstorm in the office. I enjoy brainstorming sessions. Brainstorm ideas for success. Let's brainstorm and decide. We brainstorm to solve problems. Brainstorming creates new ideas. Can we brainstorm this afternoon? Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.